moving for us how many of you have come from so many amazing countries, and how many of you in Abu Dhabi have welcomed us all here. So thank you for that. All right. Well, there's the moon, you see, right? Okay, happy birthday to you. You just turned 16. Happy birthday. Malaysia, Singapore, UAE. That's wonderful. I just had surgery. I made it to the show. Congratulations. I skipped work to be here. We're engaged. Okay. World peace. Glass of water. Joaquin. Fighting cancer. Okay. We're welcoming. We wish you all the best. Okay. Wonderful. And I see flags from India. I see flags. India and Pakistan, so that's cool that they're hanging out. I see a flag from Zimbabwe, I see flags from Africa, I see flag from Sri Lanka all the way over there, I see Colombia, Argentina, I see Saudi Arabia, I see Iran, I see Palestine, West Bank and Gaza. I also see peaceful Israelis, and I see kind people, and I see, where else do I see? Jordan, I think. Starfish, the sky full of stars. Trinidad, we welcome you from Trinidad. Amazing. Spain, we welcome you from Spain. So many places. Okay. So, okay, there's too many for me to read. But thank you for all these